$100,000 will go to the museum and the foundation there.
I just want to welcome you all here. Thank you for being out here. It turns out it's going to be a great day. This is going to be a fun little way to kick it off. So let's get some excitement going. Cheer some people on. Make some money. Thanks, everybody.
All right, so let's kick this off. All right, we're attention. All right, John Paul and Blake Whittlesey, we have. All right, Blake, you're up. That's David Woodward.
Four.
All right, that was a great effort. Great effort. All right, we got just a few competitors now. Remember, this is for $150,000. A lot of this is going towards the foundation. Let's get some good efforts here. Let's hear it for these guys. All right, Richard Reisig is here. He's going to be the first one to make it. Lane's up. He's going to make it right here.
Oh, good.
Jake Johnson. All right, Jake, I see you. You're up.
Trying to hit Dave. Golf cart.
138 yards.
Into the golf cart. Oh, hole in cart. No way.
Ooh. All right, good effort, good effort.
Got a picture of you all in your underwear, right?
That's right.
Nope.
All right, this is answer. 138 yards. All right, good effort. Good effort. Nice. Good balance. All right, guys, thanks for participating. Those of you that stepped up, thanks. It's not easy to hit from the ground when you haven't played all day. Thank you to the Discovery Children's Museum for coming out here to Reflection Bay. I'm going to turn the time over to TJ, and he's going to get you guys started. Have a great day on the course today.